AbleTech has developed sample operational procedures for using Bookshare as a guide for school districts. This video explains what's in the document and how to use it. It begins with a statement that the local education agency has adopted the procedures regarding acquisition of accessible titles from Bookshare for those students requiring accessible educational materials, or AIM. The next paragraph states that the district will use just one organizational account for the district and specifies who will be the primary contact for Bookshare, for example, the special education director. This person will be responsible for determining which educators have access to the account and ensure that they receive proper training. Next is a blank to enter the types of educators which will be given access, such as special education teachers, reading specialists, or speech-language pathologists. AbleTech does not recommend giving general education teachers sponsor privileges. To protect student privacy, non-employees such as parents or guardians should never be allowed to use the district's organizational account. Next is a blank to indicate who will be responsible for creating reading lists, verifying eligibility of students, obtaining memberships, and acquiring and assigning books to students. Depending on the district's needs, these tasks could be handled by the special education director or by educators who are signed up as sponsors. Below this are a couple of helpful ideas for using Bookshare productively. For example, avoiding duplication of efforts by creating reading lists which can be shared with students who have similar needs, rather than creating individual lists which can be time-consuming. Using a predetermined format for creating usernames and passwords to help with retrieval when students forget their passwords. And things to consider when assisting families in getting an individual Bookshare account so that the student can choose reading materials in addition to those assigned by a teacher. Contact information for AbleTech is provided in case the district needs training or technical support in using Bookshare. Then there is a blank to say where the document will be kept, whether in a particular folder on the computer network or a physical file cabinet. And finally, a place for an administrator to sign the procedure into place. The sample operational procedures for using Bookshare document is posted on the AIM page of the AbleTech website. We hope districts find this template helpful for developing effective procedures for using Bookshare so that students with print disabilities can reap the many benefits of accessible digital text.